Salamis. I remember you the day you jumped the siege tower at Tyre. You were a giant. And today, how will you fight? Dexapos. By Athena, how far was it you threw your man wrestling at the last Olympic Games? Will you match it with your spear? And Timander, son of Menander, a great soldier to my father. I still mourn your brother, Adaios, who died so bravely at Halicarnassus. What an honored family you descend from, Timander. You fight for them today. You've all honored your country and your ancestors. And now we come to this most distant place in Asia, where across from us, Darius has at last gathered a vast army. Who is this great king who pays assassins in gold coins to murder my father, our king, in a most despicable and cowardly manner? Who is this great king, Darius, who enslaves his own men to fight? Who is this king but a king of air? These men do not fight for their homes. They fight because this king tells them they must. When they fight, they will melt away like the air. We are not here today as slaves. We are here today as Macedonian free men. Some of you, perhaps myself, will not live to see the sun set over these mountains today. But I say to you, what every warrior has known since the beginning of time, conquer your fear! And I promise you, you'll conquer death! So bravely, you will answer. I was here this day at Gaugamela for the freedom and glory